These are the brand new. You got the 2-in-1 modular 60 volt miter saw. These are the brand new. You got the flex bolt angle. Still pretty solid deals. New DeWalt deals just dropped. Yes, they just dropped at their stores. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook for more Black Friday deals, holiday deals, glitches. You guys know when those price glitches drop, I do post and they do sell out. You do have to be quick about it, so hit the bell icon. All right, let's go ahead and start. So let's start here with some of the gift center section of the DeWalts. I'll leave you my affiliate links down below in the description section of this video, and also the bottom left hand corner of the video at no extra cost to you. So this is a solid deal. This is a 2 impact driver, drill driver for 149 battery and 2 batteries and charger. This is also a solid deal for under $10. Great as a gift. 30 piece with some nut drivers, with 1-inch bits, 2-inch bits, and a magnetic sleeve. This is the way the gift center looks like at your depot. You got $99 for the impact driver kit. Does come with the battery, charger, and a case. Now this one's really good deal because every year they do put it at $99, but it's still a pretty good deal for $100. It does include a 2 amp-hour battery, charger, and a bag. It's pretty much all you need to get started. You got $997 for the Max Fit Ultra 6-piece. These are impact rated sockets, and they do go with your impact driver. They do have a tilt on that. This is the drill. This is the Atomic 20-volt drill for $99. Does come with the 2 amp-hour battery, charger, and a case, as you guys do see there. So it's really nice to have prosumer level tools, heavy DIY. You got $99 for the Atomic 2 amp-hour starter kit with the multi-tool, and then $597 for the drill bits. So yeah, this is a really nice multi-tool. It does come with the toolless blade change, so you do have to hold that lever and it'll release the blade. These are the drill bits, the 10-piece. That is the oscillating multi-tool. All right, $19.97 and $9.97 for these. You got the 2-in-1 modular right angle adapter. Now this one is very different than the other ones because you can use different. All right, we got some utility knives, 1688. This is a 2-pack of utility knives. This is actually pretty useful. It does have a built-in cutter, as you guys do see right there, and it holds the blades inside. So 5 blades as well. So it is a 2-piece, and it's like a fastback style, basically. It does have some nice belt clips or pocket clips. You guys can use it. Pretty good deal. And check this out, guys. This is a lot of bits that you can fit on this pretty much bit driver. This is a 10-piece. All right, guys. So they still got these. These are still pretty solid deals. $199 and $299 and $399 will get you one free tool. There's a lot of good tools like that impact driver. That is a brand new 860 impact driver. This is the most powerful from the DeWalt. This is $199. If you want to stock on batteries, definitely go for that 6 amp-hour battery. Hack it with the battery. And yes, the planner is available at $290. Is one of the best deals there. And then you got the 3 tool. These are flexible tools there with the flexible battery for $399. Get you one free tool as well on these. So there are a lot of good tools. All right, these are the brand new. Yes, these are the brand new DeWalt deals just dropped. Buy one get one free. So you get a battery. All right, let's go on over. You got the chainsaw. This is the 8-inch pruning chainsaw. You got the work lights. 7 1/4 circular saw, a reciprocating saw. You got a 4.5 5-inch angle grinder, rotary hammer valued at $299. You got a router. That thing's a beast. It's a monster. So $349 for that. And then you got a 3-speed hammer drill kit for $349. Guys, you're gonna get a free 8 amp-hour battery. Yes, that's the new power pack 8 amp-hour battery. All right, flexible side, we got the reciprocating saw. Yes, there's a 60 volt max reciprocating saw, the 60 volt max angle grinder, and yes, the worm drive circular saw at $299. And then you do get the flex bolt sliding compound miter saw at $699. You get a free 9 amp-hour battery. Yes, that's a flex bolt, 60 volt, 20 volt, 9 amp-hour battery for free. That's a killer deal on those 4 hacks. All right, these are the tools. All the tools are at the bottom of this rack. Do apologize, they're behind bars just like every other store. All right, you got the ToughSystem light there. You got the hammer drill kit with that brand new 8 amp hour battery, power pack battery. It's not a power stack, it's a power pack battery. So those are the new batteries. They say that it, gets out more power than just the older one. All right, so that's the battery you're gonna get for free. That is one of the batteries. That's an 8 amp hour battery. You got the reciprocating saw. That is the XR reciprocating saw. You got the flex bolt angle grinder, and each tool is labeled if it's flex bolt or just a regular 20 bolt. You got the 60 bolt miter saw, guys. Definitely time to hack those. And yes, the rear handle circular saw is available for a hack. You get the regular XR circular saw 7 1/4, and the pruning saw there at the left for $169. That is a really good deal for that pruning saw. For $169, you're getting that saw and the battery. That's less than $100 a piece. Want to put it that way. $119 for this dual function inflator deflator. This is actually pretty nice. It is 12 volts and it is you can power up with the house basically. So either or, battery and charger, AC power adapter sold separately. As you heard, you can power it with the battery as well. Yes, a drill battery will power this one. All right, this is the clearance section. There's a lot of hammer drills on clearance section. 120 down from 230, and this is the famous hammer drill. This is the top of the line with the handle hammer drill on clearance. So be sure to take out look at it at your stores. You got the angle grinder just right next door or right next to it, and then you got that 4-tool Comica, which did not have a price on it. So yeah, keep an eye out on those. These are the brand new DXL. Yes, brand new DXL on these 329 for this huge tank. This is a big toolbox. I mean, this thing's massive. It must be heavy as well. So it looks really heavy. That is the way it looks. Got some really nice drawers. I'll leave you the audio on these so you guys could hear this. There you go. So that's the way they're really smooth. I really like what they did with this. That's where the ToughSystem mounts actually. If you want to mount the half, and then the full width is the edges the ones on the edges with the 189 for the ToughSystem DXL dolly, and then $79 for the worktop. So yes, guys, this is designed to be more for a permanent, I wouldn't say permanent, but more for a shop. Somewhere where you're going to be rolling this out for you mechanics, rolling it to the car or the vehicle you're working on. Or if you're going to be doing like a big project, like a big renovation for a house, you want to roll it out of your truck or your trailer, preferably your trailer. Roll it out and pretty much set it up and, keep it at the job site until that job is done. So that's basically what this one's designed to be, to be working with. If you're going to be moving it in and out of the house all the time, like just for a few hours and then just moving out, I would suggest you guys go with the smaller system. But if you're going to be, most likely you're going to be staying there for a longer time, go with the DXL. That's it for today. Just a quick video on the DeWalts on the Black Friday 2024. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell so you guys won't miss any of the latest and greatest Black Friday deals, holiday deals, and glitches. We'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.